In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals crashing. What you want to do is you want to open up Steam, find Marvel Rivals and make sure the game is closed. So let me just do that real quick. Then what you want to do is you want to right click and go to Properties. In here click on Installed Files and then verify integrity of game files. This will solve the issue for most people, but if this is not enough, you want to press on Browse after, get to the Marvel Rivals folder, and then in here you want to look for the launcher. So you can see I have the launcher right here. Right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility, activate these two, press Apply and OK, and then try and launch it. If that still doesn't work, try and run this in Windows 8, so apply OK and see if that works. After doing both of these, your game should hopefully be fixed. Now there's not really much more to it, guys. You should try and restart your PC as well after doing both of these if you're still experiencing any trouble. But I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.